Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the another lecture series of applied mathematics, and nowadays we are discussing differential equation. So especially we are discussing solution of differential equation. In today's lecture we are going to focus the solution of homogeneous differential equation. Now first of all keep in mind that now we are only discussing the differential equation of first order and first degree. Okay, higher order we will discuss in some upcoming lectures. So first of all we understand what is this homogeneous differential equation. So homogeneous means, homogeneous equation or homogeneous polynomial means if the sum of power of each term is equal in the polynomial, then it is called homogeneous polynomial. For example, x square plus y square equal to 0. So what is the power of first term? 2. Second term? 2. So both are equal, that means it is homogeneous. X square plus xy plus y square equal to 0. So in this equation the first term power is x square, second term power is 1 plus 1. What I told you, if sum of power of each term, so 1 plus 1 2, this is also 2 and this is 2, so each term has a power of 2, so this is the homogeneous equation. So this is called homogeneous equation of second degree because power is 2. Homogeneous equation of second degree. If I have a equation x cube plus x square y equals to 0, now this is homogeneous equation of degree 3, third degree. Okay, so that's how it is called the homogeneous equation. Now if you are confused, it is a very simple thing. You just need to check power of each term, and if all of them are equal, then that is the homogeneous equation. Now suppose you don't know, or you are getting confused for some complicated kind of equation, then simply you just replace x or y with lambda x and lambda y and replace the function. So suppose I have a function f of xy equals to 0. So I now replace lambda x, lambda y, and if I am getting lambda common and f of xy in this form, so I can separate the lambda and get my original equation, then this is the homogeneous equation. For example, if this equation, suppose I am unable to understand that whether it is homogeneous or not, so what I will do, I will just replace x with lambda x and y with lambda y. So what will I get for this equation? Lambda x square plus lambda x in lambda y plus lambda y square equal to 0. Now just simplify this. What will I get? Lambda square x square plus lambda square x lambda x lambda y plus lambda square y square equal to 0. Lambda square x square plus lambda square x y plus lambda square y square equal to 0. Now I can take lambda square common from each term. What will I get? X square plus xy plus y square equal to 0. And this is my f of x, the given equation, right? So I get equation in this form. And here I have lambda square. So if I have square here, then this will call second degree or degree of degree 2, homogeneous of degree 2. Okay, so that's how you simply identify the term. So for example, if I have a equation x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now I don't know whether it is homogeneous or not, and I am unable to understand it. So the simple thing what I will do, I will just replace x with lambda x, y with lambda y. Now what I will get? Lambda x plus lambda y plus 2 equal to 0. Now I can take lambda common from this. I get lambda into x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Now I am not getting the original equation, right? It is something change. I am not getting original equation, or I am not getting this form. Okay, so this is not homogeneous equation. This is not homogeneous equation. Okay, so in differential equation also the same definition is applied. If each term of the differential equation is having the sum of power is equal for each term, then this is the homogeneous differential equation. So first of all, suppose I have a equation dy by dx equal to f of x or some function of x. So, and this is the homogeneous equation. I first identify that this is the homogeneous equation. Then how to solve this equation? Its solution is fixed. We need to substitute y equals to vx, where v is a function of x, and differentiate this applying product rule. So I will get dy by dx equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Okay, so dy by dx I got as v plus x dv by dx. So these two substitution I need to make. First y equals to vx, and second dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. After substituting these two equation, these two values, the given homogeneous equation convert into variable separable form in the form of v and x, and we solve it as we solve the variable separable thing in previous lecture. So let's just solve some example, then you will understand it. Example that I am going to discuss with you is x square plus x square into dy by dx equals to x square plus xy plus y square. Now first of all I will convert it into standard form, which is this dy by dx equals to f of x. So just take this term to this side. In short, we want dy by dx in one side and all the term into the another side. So I will get x square plus xy plus y square upon x square. Okay. Now check numerator. First term power is 2. Second term power 1 plus 1, 2. Third term power is 2. So numerator's power, all terms having power 2. Denominator is also having power 2. So if you have numerator and denominator, both should have the power, equal power. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. That's how we identify, or simply replace x with lambda x, y with lambda y, and check this term if you are getting again the same term with some separated lambda or cancelled lambda, whatever it is. Okay, so this is the homogeneous differential equation. Now once I identify that this is the homogeneous differential equation, this is the homogeneous differential equation. So I start solution, put y equals to vx and dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. How we get this term? Just differentiate it applying product rule here. Now I am replacing everything as this substitution. So instead of dy by dx, I will write this term. So v plus x dv by dx. I replace this dy by dx with this term equal to x. I am not replacing with anything, so x will be the same, plus x. Y is here, this is y, and I am replacing y with vx, plus y square is here, vx square upon x square. Okay, now what I get? X square plus vx square plus v square x square upon x square. Okay, now I am taking x square common. What will I get? X square into 1 plus v square upon x square. This get cancelled. Okay, simply I get here as, so just let me change the page here. Okay, now in this side I have v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square. Okay, now I just want to have dv by dx, so I just want to convert it into variable separable form. So one side I want all v term with dv, and one side I want all x term with dx. So just shift this v to this side. I will get x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square minus v. This is plus v, so we get minus v. This get cancelled and I have x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square. Now take this term to this side because I have dv here, and take this x dx to this side. So when I take this, I will get 1 upon 1 plus v square dv equal to 1 upon x into dx. Okay. So now we get the thing as in a variable separable form. So on integrating, what I will get, 1 upon 1 plus v square dv equals to integration 1 upon x dx. Now just integrate it. So this is the standard integration, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Remember this? What is the answer? Tan inverse of x, correct. So tan inverse of v equal to 1 upon x dx. Integration is log x plus c. So that's how I got it. But now what is my v? I need to replace this v. So I have substitute y equals to vx. From this v is equal to y upon x. So I am back substituting this. I will get tan inverse of y by x equals to log x plus c. And this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So that's how we solve the homogeneous differential equation. Now sometime initial or final condition is given in differential equation from which you can find out value of c also. So let's just discuss one more example so that concept will clear to you. Okay, another example I have write it here, and this is the given condition to you. So this you need to use when you finally get the solution. For example, if in this example I want to use this kind of condition, then I will apply it on this equation to get the value of c here. Now first of all we will try to solve this thing. So first thing we need to, the given differential equation is, xy square dy minus x cube plus y cube dx equal to 0. This is our differential equation. So just let me just take the page and put it here. Okay. Now I will convert it. So I'll just taking this term to this side, xy square dy equal to x cube plus y cube dx. Okay, take this dx to this side, so dy by dx, and take this term to this side equal to x cube plus y cube upon xy square. Okay, now first term having power 3, second term power 3. Okay, in denominator 1 plus 2, it is 3. So 3, all terms is having power 3. It is homogeneous differential equation. Now once you identify that this is a homogeneous differential equation, you know that you need to solve it by substituting y equals to vx, and here I am calculating v equals to y by x. Just take this x to this side, so it will become y by x, and dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. This is a fixed kind of substitution that you need to make. Now I am just replacing it. So instead of dy by dx, I will write this v plus x dv by dx equal to, now x I am not replacing, so x cube as it is, y we need to replace with vx upon x as it is, vx square. Okay, just simplify it. Let's just check what we get. X cube plus v cube into x cube upon x into v square x square. Just square this bracket. Now I get x cube, I can take common. I will taking common 1 plus v cube upon x into x square. It is x cube into v square. Now this x cube get cancelled. and I got 1 plus v cube upon v square. Here I have v plus x dv by dx. Okay, take this v to this side. I get x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v cube upon v square minus v. Now just subtract the fractions. So I will get cross multiplied 1 plus v cube minus v square into v cube upon v square. So this v cube cancel. I get 1 upon v square. Here I have x dv by dx. Okay. So just take this v square to this side and this dx to this side, x and dx to this side. So this v square will become v square dv. It is in numerator, it is in denominator, it will be come into the numerator, and dx will be in the numerator. So dx, this x will come down upon x. So I get v square dx equals to 1 upon x dx, dv here. Now on integrating, it is a variable separated form. So integration v square dv equals to integration 1 upon x dx. Okay. So just apply the standard formula of x to the power n dx. Integration is n plus 1 upon n plus 1. You need to add the power into it. So we will get v cube upon 3 equal to log x plus c. Okay, that's what we get here. Now we know that back substitution we need to do. So v equals to y by x. I'm just substituting here. So y by x cube upon 3 equal to log x plus c. So simply I get y cube upon 3 x cube equal to log x plus c. This is the solution to my differential equation. But in the example, I have given a condition, right? In the example, what is condition given? Y equals to 0 when x equals to 1. So by substituting this condition here, I need to find value of c. Now put y equals to 0 and x equals to 1 in 2. So what will I get? Y is 0 upon 3 into 1 cube equal to log of 1 plus c. So this term becomes 0. Log of 1, value of log of 1 is always 0. So c equals to 0 I get. Now I back substitute the value of c here, and finally the solution is y cube upon 3x cube equal to log x plus 0. So plus 0 I am not writing because this is the value of c, and that's what the solution I am getting. So I hope you understand the homogeneous differential equation and how to solve it. I want you to try these few example, try these 3 example, and let me know in comment section if you are able to solve it. So that's it. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the lecture. We will meet again. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.